Many people around us think that United Kingdom, England, Britain, Great Britain are the common name for one country. But there is very much difference between them. So in this topic we will understand about what is United Kingdom, what is Great Britain, what is England and difference between them. Hello friends, I am Sunil Wadokar and before proceeding further I will like to request you to press the like button. So let's get started. So this is entire map of the world and we are going to deal with the region on the northwest side of the Europe. You can see these two islands inside this circle. This total region is called as British Isles. British Isles is a group of more than 6,000 islands situated in northwest of Europe continent. And in this British Isles region there are total 5 countries, and that are England, Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland. Now all these countries are very different and their culture is also different. The country shown in red color is England and its capital is London. The total area covered by England country is 1,30,279 square kilometer. The total area of England is similar to total area of Tamil Nadu state in India. And western side to the England, in white region, the country shown is Wales. The total area of Wales is about 21,000 square kilometer and the capital of Wales is Cardiff city. These both region, England and Wales, combine to form Britain. The country which is shown in blue color on northern side is Scotland. The total area covered by Scotland is 78,000 square kilometer and the capital city is Edinburgh. And these all three countries, England, Scotland and Wales, covered by this red line, represents Great Britain. So it is clear that the region inside this red line is called as Great Britain, which is consist of 3 countries, England, Wales and Scotland. The region which is shown by orange color in this image is Northern Ireland. Total area of Northern Ireland is about 14,000 square kilometer and capital city is Belfast. So we come to the core question that what is United Kingdom? United Kingdom is sovereign state which consists of 4 countries as shown in this red region. Republic of Ireland is not the part of United Kingdom, but all these 4 countries, Scotland, England, Wales and Northern Ireland, are part of United Kingdom. As you can see, this is United Kingdom represented by yellow region in this image. There is one passport to the all countries inside the United Kingdom, and this is third most powerful passport in the world. This is very popular region among the tourists. More than 4 crore, that is equal to 40 million people visit every year to this region. By this image we can summarize all this video. Great Britain consists of 3 countries, Scotland, Wales and England. United Kingdom consists of 4 countries, Northern Ireland, Wales, Scotland and England. British Isles consist of 5 countries by adding Ireland country to these all 4 countries. So in this way we have covered this topic, what is difference between United Kingdom, Great Britain and England. Thank you friends for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel.